Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you don't know already, my name is Alicia, and if you have not hit the subscribe button, please do. It encouraged me to be consistent. So I'm sorry for being gone for a minute, but I'm gonna come to you guys with a quick gelx set. This is like a little different. Like, this is a press-ons from SHEIN and gelx. So I just wanted to come to you guys real quick with this video. This video was really quick. I didn't show you guys any prep or anything, but if you want to see prep, you can go to my previous videos. I wanted to try, well, I have been doing this for a while because I don't think I'm that good at designing, and I be wanting a little shink-a-dink on my nails sometimes. So I decided to try this with the SHEIN press-ons. I did haul these press-ons before, so yeah, and they came out super cute. I'm not one to, like, I love the fact that gelx takes no time, but I'm not one to keep my nails on long. So I always put a peel-off base on my nails each time I do it. So yeah, I put that on. That's why you see like a little glossy tint on my nails, but these come right off when I need them to, and I'm not damaging my nails because I do have a rubber base on my nail underneath the peel-off base, and I don't have to file my nails. I was noticing anytime I file my nails, I would get overzealous and just file the heck out of my nails. But my nails have been a lot healthier with just doing the peel-off method. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I want to say I'm back, but it also depends on how these videos do, because I get very discouraged if my videos don't do well. So yeah. Give me some little positivity in the comment section, but I hope you love this little short and sweet video. I'll talk to you guys later. Mwah, mwah, mwah.